Do you have a Galaxy Watch active too? And are you as excited as we are about the Star Wars film, The Rise of Skywalker, coming out next week? We can't wait. And we have the thing for you.
We have some pretty cool watch faces, including the Mandalorian, Boba Fett, Kylo Ren, Darth Vader, you name it. We're gonna show you right now these watch faces. And if you already have your Samsung Galaxy Watch Active number 2 and it isn't on your Christmas wish list, then make sure you like and subscribe. Well, in any event, you can like and subscribe to get more content like this. So let's start with some watch faces, the kind of Star Wars general watch faces, right? So we're looking at the Kylo Ren watch face walking in the woods.
I absolutely love this one. This is so subtle. You have your battery count on there, you have the date, and you have the time. And of course you have Kylo Ren.
And the good thing about these watch faces is that the lightsaber always comes out as a kind of a neon light, right? So it's really difficult to show you guys that on the footage itself. Next one up is the general Star Wars watch face. Again, it's kind of with a really dark, deep black background, and you have an analog and digital face at the same time, right? You have the digital face below the Star Wars, and then you have the analog, and the handles are really cool.
What I would absolutely say about this one is that it is so classic that nobody will be able to miss it on your arm. And the next one we have is the Millennium Falcon, and we have the X-Wing fighters too.
The really cool thing about that is that when the time changes, it's a dynamic watch face that the X-Wings are moving. So that is pretty cool. Very subtle at one time, 1 minute, 41 to 42 and so on, but they are moving. That's really cool. I like that.
I love that. It's a retro look to that one. And I love R2-D2 here.
Who doesn't love R2-D2, right?
That one is such a beautiful watch face. And you have the weather on there.
Yeah, so that's kind of a graffiti style, but that's also Star Wars related and pretty cool. And I mean, you have most of the components inside, right? Visible.
Absolutely. And it's also bright, that one. It's a nice bright one.
Yeah. Next one up is a collection of Stormtroopers. So talk us through here.
The Stormtroopers come in different colors. We have white, we have red, and we have a black background. We also have one with the lightsabers in the hands of the clock.
Nice,
and it really, again, nobody will miss you wearing those.
No, very nice. So next one up is one of our favorite also. It's BB-8. So why is it one of our favorite?
Because we like BB-8.
We also like BB-8, but we like that the body of BB-8 moves, right? So it's moving. It's a nice touch.
I like the moving watch faces.
Next one up, Darth Vader.
Honestly, who would not want that? Seriously, the neon hands on the watch and then Darth Vader at the back, I mean, that stands out.
Yeah, so you don't have that many information on that watch face. You have like the date on the bottom and then you obviously your time.
Yeah, but it's awesome.
But then you have Darth Vader looking at you. So that's pretty cool. Next one up is also Darth Vader. Is even more minimalistic than the one before. Again, you have the handles, kind of colorful lightsabers, right? So that's pretty cool. Ooh, Kylo Ren. So that's one of my favorite because when you actually see that in real life, it's glowing. It's literally glowing.
I love the red popping out of this one. I also love the neon steps at the bottom as well because they really stand out as you go through your day.
Yeah, so this one is also Kylo Ren. Again, in real life, it looks so much more vivid than it
honestly,
in the picture
they are glorious. If you are a Star Wars fan in any minutest detail, these are glorious.
Next one up is the Last Jedi. So if you're attached to the previous Star Wars movies, then this one is obviously for you also. And the again, the neon really stands out. The fire, the flames really make that such a lovely, vivid watch face. Another one of Kylo Ren. And then we come to our favorite, well, one of our favorite, all of our favorites is the Mandalorian, right? So we love Baby Yoda.
We love Baby Yoda.
It came out of some sort of egg in the Mandalorian, didn't it?
Yes, out of an egg cut. He's beautiful little Baby Yoda.
Yeah, so here on this watch face, you have a whole bunch of more information than on the others. It's just a bit different, right? So you have to look at that. You also have your heartbeat on there, your step count. I don't know, you have your time is on top here.
And
then
obviously a reminder of when the movie launches.
yeah, so that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Next one is the Mandalorian itself.
I think I like that one a lot because of the detail on there and everything you can see in one glance.
Also, the pretty cool thing about these watch faces you have, if you look at the S of the Sunday, it's kind of an S of the Star Wars, right? It is the little details that make the difference in these watch faces.
And also, if you are like us and you are looking forward to the next episode, it's really nice to have a reminder on your arm
on your Galaxy Watch Active 2.
Yes, of what you're watching at the moment.
Zori Bliss.
That's a nice one.
That's a nice one.
Yeah, I think that's a nice, simple one. And it is Boba Fett.
It's very playful.
It is very playful. It's very bright as well, and you can't miss it when it's on your arm.
Oh.
And I love Baby Groot. I love Groot in all forms.
And Baby Yoda. and there is his little egg pod there. But he's in some sort of blanket, right? So that's nice. He needs to keep warm.
Yeah.
Next one up is kind of a Christmas theme, Star Wars, and again, Darth Vader with a Christmas hat. And I think these are kind of neat, right? So you can...
I love that it's Christmas.
Yeah.
I love that it's a retro Darth Vader. And I love that the colors really jump out.
It's nice to have the possibility to change all the watch faces. So how would you go through your day with all these watch faces then?
For me personally, after looking at them again, I would probably start my day with the classic Star Wars.
Okay.
And then move on to a little Darth Vader and end up my day with a little Kylo Ren.
Okay, so I would start with a Stormtrooper and then move on to probably Kylo Ren, some of the cool ones, and then a Christmas Darth Vader to kind of settle down at night and have a tea and then get ready for bed, right? So which of these watch faces would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. We're also going to put a link in the comments box, or in the description box rather, where you can get these watch faces, right? So if you are interested in these watch faces, they are for free. By the way, they are for free. They're non-payment watch faces. So make sure you click on that link. We don't get anything from that. We just discovered that and wanted to bring that to you guys. So make sure you like and subscribe so you can see more watch faces like that.
And don't forget, sharing is caring.
Yeah. Oh no, that's right. Jens here from Also Space.
Tony the Card Geek.
Thank you for watching. Peace out.